Well, today's the London House Day 2023, and the nearest one to me is the King George V pumping station. So that's where I am today. But just thought while I'm down here, I'll kill two birds with one stone and have a look around Enfield Lock. Well, I've seen so many years of my life along the backwaters that I'll never ever get back again. But happy years. All I can say about that is today's generation, the river's still there, but they would never experience the way it was sort of 50, nearly 60 years ago in my case. It was absolutely beautiful. It's teeming with fish. The water was like gin. Absolutely lovely. Anyway, look, I'm just going up to the pumping station. I left the car down at Enfield Island Village, which is easier for me. Then I just have to walk along. But anyway, enjoy this little walk with me and enjoy the day. Absolutely gorgeous weather. Couldn't be better. Right, just coming up the pumping station now, and that'll be it. Lovely old building, this and all, by the way. It's a chance you don't get to see, only on these open days. It's not open public. No, she is. Yeah.
You don't want to hear me again then.
I wouldn't say that. Well, I'll say I'll just turn it round and I'll catch it listening to what we're talking about. So go. It's a nice opportunity to see something you don't normally get.
No, I've not started. He's come
Well, that's me done, but if you haven't been here yourself, come over because it's like a lot of things in life. You turn the tap on, you don't even appreciate what's coming out of it, do you? This throws a different light on the whole story. And as a gentleman just said up there, the day you turn the tap on and nothing comes out, that's when you realise how important water is. Certainly a good day out. I think you've guessed by now that they do the guided tours. I've been over a few times before, so I didn't actually sort of latch on to one. But they couldn't beat the staff are so knowledgeable and helpful. Just, I say, it opens your eyes up. Right, I'm going to call it a day now. Hope you enjoyed this little trip. There's more to it than I could put in. It'd have to be like a 3-hour video, which would probably you go to sleep by the end of it. But anyway, that's it. All right, so put it in your diary for next year, or any of the open house venues are interested. It just gives you a chance to see things that you wouldn't normally see. Right, I think it's time for a beer.